Hi, it's Nicole with American Paving Design. We are excited about the opportunity to work with you on your hardscape project. We understand that you probably have a lot of questions about travertine, so to make this process as easy as possible, we've compiled the following video. Now sit back, relax, and listen to our team answer the most commonly asked travertine questions. What exactly are travertine pavers? Travertine pavers are natural stones that are specifically designed for outdoor projects such as patios, walkways, and paver pool decks. These pavers are typically thicker than travertine tiles and come in a multitude of colors and sizes. The average thickness of a travertine paver is approximately 1 1/4. Many homeowners select travertine pavers when upgrading their pool deck or patios because of its excellent color tones, non-slip surface, and their ability to stay cool. Moreover, travertine pavers are extremely durable and require little maintenance activity. Because travertine is affordable and will continue to look great for years to come, it's one of the best investments that you can make when remodeling your home's exterior. If you're thinking about remodeling your outdoor living space or pool deck with travertine pavers, you will notice that the unit price associated with travertine is more costly than a standard concrete paver. Travertine is a natural stone and is usually imported from overseas, which can increase the cost. In addition, when laying travertine, installation crews hand cut and set each stone, increasing both time and labor costs. Typically, travertine ranges from $16 to $19 per square foot. Although these prices vary, your final cost will depend on the location, the size of the travertine you choose, the color, and the cut. Travertine is a natural stone, which means it comes in a variety of colors and shades. No stone looks exactly the same. This uniqueness is why so many homeowners choose travertine pavers. To help you decide on the perfect stone color for your hardscape project, take a look at my top 5 travertine color choices: ivory, silver, gold, walnut, and Cappadocia. When customers are planning their backyard projects, they often ask me if they can use travertine as their material. Travertine has a non-slip surface and handles heat very well, making it really ideal for pool decks and patios. This dynamic natural stone will leave your outdoor living space looking clean, unique, and extremely durable. I highly recommend choosing travertine pavers for your next pool deck remodel or patio space. Although there are plenty of sizes to choose from when installing travertine, we found that the most common pattern to use is called the French pattern. This pattern utilizes a set of 4 different sizes of travertine, including 8x8, 8x16, 16x16, and 16x24. When laid, these 4 pieces are truly beautiful and evenly showcase all of the pattern across the entire project. If you are sticking to a single size of travertine for your project, you have multiple patterns to choose from, including herringbone, stacked bond, or running bond. Here at American Paving Design, some of our most commonly used single pieces are 16x24, 6x12, and 24x24. To keep your travertine pavers in the best condition possible, we recommend routine cleaning and sealing, just like you would concrete pavers. Sealing travertine will put a protective coating on the surface that will stop daily dirt and grime from damaging the stone. In its natural state, travertine is very porous, which is why it's important to clean very often. There are a few things to keep in mind when you clean your travertine pavers. Although travertine is an extremely durable material, it is pretty sensitive. So be mindful of the product that you use to clean your travertine. It is not recommended to use general purpose cleaners or cleaners that contain vinegar or bleach. If you would like to clean your travertine yourself, here are some of my tips. We first recommend sweeping off the surface of the travertine with a broom to remove any dirt, leaves, or particles that may be on the surface. Then, use a simple mixture of warm water and a small amount of soap made for natural stones to gently remove any debris that is left. You can use a high pressure water hose to clean off any excess soap and grime, but we don't recommend turning on the highest pressure as you may unintentionally harm the surface of the stone. If you want to learn more about travertine or sealing, head on over to our website at americanpavingdesign.com. There you can learn all about preserving your travertine patio or pool deck.